The best HDTV antennas for 2020. The best overall, Mohu Releaf. Why you should buy this? You're looking for a future-proofed, eco-friendly product. Who it's for? The eco-minded cord cutter. The best flat antenna, ClearStream Eclipse. Why you should buy this? It's a discreet, yet powerful antenna with a novel design. Who it's for? Those who don't mind paying a little extra for performance. The best amplified antenna, Mohu Curve Amplified. Why you should buy this? The Mohu Curve hides in plain sight while offering excellent reception. Who it's for? Those as concerned about decor as performance. The best tiny antenna, Leaf Metro. Why you should buy this? The Leaf Metro is the smallest antenna of the bunch, but it's no less capable of providing quality HDTV signals. Who it's for? City apartment dwellers who need something compact. The best indoor-outdoor antenna, ClearStream 2 Max HDTV Antenna. Why you should buy this? It delivers long-distance reception, even in less than ideal environments. Who it's for? Those who live a long distance from signal sources. The best outdoor antenna, Winegard Elite 7550. Why you should buy this? Your home falls outside the reception range of the most powerful indoor antenna on our list. Who it's for? Those for whom an indoor antenna simply won't cut it.